everybody. We're going to finish up our cities today. As you can see, I went ahead and added windows to the buildings I had on my paper, and hopefully you've done that too. So we're going to go through and add some details and add roads and a park and different things. So for the center of my drawing, I'm going to make this more of a plaza or a park kind of area. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to try to draw this off a little bit and make this area come across through here. And remember, you can erase some of these lines, so if you don't get them exactly the way you want them, you can erase them. But what I'm going to try to do is put this little hub in the middle where all these buildings can come to it. And I'm going to make a little water feature here in the middle. I can go through and add color to that if I want to. And these are the tops of some trees. Remember, you can't see much of the tree, but adding color means that I can. Then I can also have a few little walkways coming through here. I'm going to have one coming this way. So this can be my little park. And then I can add some roads that come through here. And my roads, I think I'm going to make come this way. So I'm going to draw it more of a freehand. So it's going to come and go this way here. I'm going to have it come here. And it's going to go here. And remember, we're going to add this little divided line to show that it's a road. And then if you want a road to come off the middle, remember, you can just erase a little part of that. And we can have a road coming here, and it can go this way. We can have it coming here. Add those little divided lines in there. And you can keep adding, like I could even have a road peeking between these two buildings right here to show. I can have one coming around here, around my park area. Remember, you can have your roads, and you would also want your roads to kind of come in from here. So if I have that road here, I might want it to come this way, and then it might want to branch off. And you can also make these larger interstate kind of roads. So this could just even, you could even have like an exit coming off here, and then it can get bigger, and you could even have a double divided line. And we could add that coming in here, where you can have more space. You can even have like a little bunker coming in here where you can have trees in it if you wanted to. Just keep adding detail. Some things that some of you might want to put on top of your buildings. If you wanted to add like a little rooftop, like a little extra storage building, I was going to show you how to do that. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to draw a square on top of this building right here. And this could be like a rooftop storage. This could be where the air conditioning units are. This could be almost anything you wanted it to be. So I'm going to add this square. This is still my, if you can still see my dot, that's still my vanishing point on the side of my pond here. So I'm going to draw the lines to this, to the vanishing point. So I'm just going to draw, it's going to be about that tall, I think. I'm going to draw these lines to here, to the vanishing point. I'll line it up and draw this. So this is going to be my storage on top of this building. There we go. And you could even have like a door to it coming off here. So my door would go to the vanishing point, even on the top of this building. It would be something like this. I'm going to come there. I'm going to come right here. Then I'm going to draw. Remember, it has to be, everything has to line up. So this is my line here. This line has to be parallel. So this would be my door. on the top of my roof. It would go right there. So you could have something like that on there on top of your buildings. You could put that, you might want to put an H for a helicopter pad. You can do all kinds of things with it. Some other things that you can add to this, you can add parks off to the side. So if you wanted to make a nice park area, remember your trees are going to be little squiggly lines like this. And you could add, or maybe you want to add a pool that comes off the side. So you could put something like this on here. And then you could show the lanes, because pools have lanes. You might want to draw that on there. So you can add all kinds of features to your city that you want to. Lots of details. Remember that you can add color if you want to, or you can leave it black and white. You can have all your roads kind of moving through here. If you had water, remember you can have a water front city if you wanted to. You can do all kinds of things with this. So hopefully you've enjoyed our 3-part city, bird's eye view of a city in 1-point perspective. I hope you enjoyed this lesson, and I will see you next time on Art Time with Mrs. Kine.